Welcome back to Jotore Aviation. Today, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming aircraft maintenance, turning raw data into real-time insights that prevent failures before they happen. This is the revolution behind aviation's next leap in safety, reliability, and efficiency. The Silent Guardians. Aviation maintenance has always been the silent guardian of the skies. Every safe takeoff and landing begins on the ground with inspections, scheduled checks, and thousands of data points reviewed by engineers. But today's aircraft are too complex for traditional manual methods of analysis. So the latest generation of aircraft have thousands of sensors, with millions of lines of code, and interconnected systems that all age differently. Tracking all of this maintenance data manually has the potential risk of missing critical tasks. That's why artificial intelligence is becoming essential to aviation. How artificial intelligence takes flight. With neural networks and anomaly detection, predictive maintenance models learn what normal performance looks like. When a component begins to drift even slightly, the system detects this instantly. Then, predictive maintenance will review these drift trends. These reviews will look at measurements such as engine parameters, temperature, pressure, and vibration profiles, along with configuration and flight loads. Using sensors feeding real-time data, the system will analyze these inputs for potential failures and adverse trends. It sees relationships no human could manually detect, everything from brake temperatures to hydraulic pressure. This data then flows into predictive systems, where it monitors trends and flags emerging abnormalities. Predictive maintenance in action. Data is collected during flight, and predictive maintenance systems analyze millions of data points. If an anomaly is detected, engineers will receive an alert, and they will conduct maintenance before a failure occurs. Predictive maintenance doesn't replace people. It provides engineers with greater situational awareness, early fault detection, ability to reduce catastrophic failures, and in-flight shutdowns. The impact on operations. An improved operational efficiency can be gained with lower unscheduled maintenance requirements, reduced AOG events, optimized part usage, and improved long-term planning. Many airlines report up to a 30% reduction in unplanned maintenance events using predictive systems, and detect emerging issues weeks before failure, thus reducing unplanned costs. Companies such as GE Aerospace have developed tools to speed up and standardize borescope and blade inspections, while Honeywell's Ensemble product uses artificial intelligence to predict engine health. The future. The future of artificial intelligence in aviation will spread wider than predictive maintenance, with drones providing fully autonomous inspections of fuselage, wings, and lightning strike points. Autonomous repair tools will provide assistance to staff, and developing digital twins for entire fleets that are real-time replicas of aircraft, predicting wear, fatigue, and future maintenance needs. Artificial intelligence is set to become one of aviation's most powerful tools. However, keeping humans central to decision-making is critical. If you want more aviation insights into aircraft engineering and maintenance, like and share this video. Drop your questions in the comments. Jotore Aviation. Engineering excellence. Safety always.